Mouth tape is everywhere on TikTok now, but here's why you should never use it. Number one, you might suffocate in your sleep. While this might be true if you used regular tape to get a sharper jawline, that's not true with mouth taping because it's completely breathable. Number two, it's actually gonna wreck your sleep. Okay, it might feel a little weird at first, but once you get used to it, this is gonna be the best sleep of your entire life. Number three, your jawline might actually get worse. I honestly don't know where people come up with this, but just look at my 5-month transformation, and I think it's safe to say that my facial structure has gotten way better. I went with this company Snore because it comes with 30 of these nose strips for completely free, and you're gonna breathe absolutely amazing at night. Just make this small investment on yourself for a huge investment on your health in the long run. It's even on sale right now.